Hello. The secrets to increasing bakery product sales in Nigeria is what I am talking to you about in this video. The secret of increasing bakery product sales in Nigeria. Increasing bakery product sales requires a strategic approach that combines quality products, effective marketing, and customer engagement. I have made a detailed bakery business plan already, and it is already written, and I will give it to you for free if you ask me for it. All you need to do is to request for it in the comment section and leave your email address therein so that I can send it to you directly. In this video, please be patient with me for 3 minutes to learn the secrets to increasing sales of bakery products in Nigeria. This is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun TV. If you're a first timer on this channel, I welcome you and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, my successful people, I thank you again and again. Here then are the key strategies to build sales of bakery products in Nigeria. Number one is quality products. The foundation of any successful bakery is high quality products. Ensure your baked products, goods are fresh, delicious, and visually appealing. Use premium ingredients and maintain consistent baking standards to build a loyal customer base. Number two is unique selling proposition. Differentiate your bakery products from competitors by highlighting unique selling proposition. This could be a signature product, specialty item, or a focus on locally sourced ingredients. Emphasize what sets your bakery apart to attract customers looking for something special. Effective marketing. Implement targeted marketing strategies to reach your audience. Utilize social media platforms, local advertising, and promotions to increase visibility. Engage with customers through compelling content such as behind-the-scenes videos, baking tips, and customer testimonials. Number four is customer engagement. Build relationship with your customers to foster loyalty and repeat business. Offer personalized service, respond to feedback promptly, and create a welcoming atmosphere in your bakery. Encourage customer reviews and referrals to enhance your reputation. Number five is diversified product range. Expand your product offerings to cater to diverse customer preferences. Include options for dietary restrictions such as gluten-free, vegan, seasonal specialties, and custom orders for special occasions. Regularly introduce new items to keep your menu fresh and exciting. This is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun TV. If you're a first timer on this channel, welcome and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, my successful people, I thank you again and again. Number six is strategic pricing. Set competitive yet profitable pricing for your bakery products. Consider the cost of ingredients, overhead expenses, and market trends when determining prices. Offer value bundles, discounts for your bulk orders, and loyal programs to incentivize repeat purchases. Number seven, online presence. Enhance your bakery's online presence with a user-friendly website and active social media profiles. Showcase your products with professional photography. Share baking tips and recipes and facilitate online ordering or reservations for cakes and catering services. Number eight is community engagement. Participate in local events, sponsor community initiatives, and collaborate with neighboring businesses to increase brand visibility. Support charitable causes or host baking workshops to Connect with your community and attract new customers. Number 9 is continuous improvement. Regularly improve on what you are doing before. And this can come by regular evaluation and refinement of your baking operations based on customer feedback and sales data. Monitor trends in the bakery industry. Adopt innovative baking techniques and invest in staff training to maintain high standards of quality and service. Number 10 is feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop with customers to gather insights into their preferences and expectations. Use surveys, social media posts, and face-to-face interactions to understand what drives their purchasing decisions and make adjustments accordingly. Implementing these strategies can help you not only increase bakery sales, but also build a strong brand reputation and customer loyalty in Nigeria's competitive market. Tailor your approaches to suit your bakery's unique strengths and market dynamics for sustained growth. This is Dr. Oluwengade TV. If you're a first timer on this channel, I welcome you and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, my successful people, I thank you again and again. Now, everyone, go ahead and watch this next video showing on your screen from my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.